What is up, guys? Welcome back to another DIECAST review. Today, we've got the Lion-O Racing NASCAR Authentics 2025 Advent Calendar. We've got 12 days of surprises with 10 never-before produced 1/64 scale cars. So that means 2 of them we've seen before, and I can tell you this is one of them that we've seen before, the number 9 UniFirst. So we're going to get this out and take a look at all 12 cars right here, right now. So there's the spoiler alert warning. I am going to be opening this because I get this for the collecting side of it and for the exclusive diecast side. So I'm going to just get into it now and see which exclusive diecast we got in here. We'll go one at a time. Let me see if I can get the tape. The tape that they got all over this thing. Okay. All right. So here we go. The Lion-O Gingerbread 500. And there's the 12 days. And then, of course, we've got the racetrack. Always looks really cool to me. But with that being said, I guess we'll start off with number 1. So let me punch it out. All right, so number 1, fittingly, is the number 1 Ross Chastain Choice Privileges Chevrolet from Trackhouse. So number 1 is a car number 1, so that's pretty cool. Pretty sure this is one of the exclusives. You only got 2 non-exclusives. So we'll move on to number 2 here. So we're going to have our first Xfinity car. If I can get it out. There we go. So we've got the number 7 Brandt. I think this is the Citrus car that they, I think that's what it's called, the Brandt Citrus number 7. So the first Xfinity car here in day number 2 for Justin Allgaier, who will be going for a championship this weekend. At the time of recording, Phoenix is coming up. So here's day 3. Let's see what I can get here. All right, so day number 3, Chris Buescher. Number 7, dang, it's all over the place. Number 17, Kroger and Thomas Ford for RFK. So this is another exclusive, I believe. So far, I think we're 3 for 3 on exclusives. Could be wrong. I'm only looking for 2 cars that aren't exclusives, and we know one of them's Chase Elliott's. All right, so next up, we got day 4 right here on Santa. Watch out, Santa. And here it is. So we'll get this out of the way. One of the cover diecasts, the number 9 UniFirst, which has been released up to this point. Cool nonetheless. All right, we'll shut that back. Day 5 is this present. Let's see. So here we go, another cover diecast. And a really cool one at that. Harrison Burton, Dead on Tools number 25. Big fan of Harrison Burton. Big fan of this scheme and team. Really cool that this car is on the cover and included. So there's 5 days down. Number 6 right here on the snowman. Oh man, I tore this all up. Oh, here we go. Time. Day 6. Safe Flight number 11. Truck for Corey Heim. His number 11 truck, and as of me saying this, 11 wins on the season to match his truck number. He could get 12, and if he does get 12, he's the champ. We'll find that out coming up really soon. There we go, halfway through it. So we got day 7 coming up. Let's see. Here we go. The third and final cover diecast. Trying to leave me there. The number 99 Campers Inn RV for Ben Rhodes. He is my favorite Truck Series driver, so I'm really glad to get this one as an exclusive. A 99 truck for Ben Rhodes. And now all 3 cover diecast have been revealed. So we're moving right on to number 8. We've got another Xfinity car. We got William Sawalich, which is pretty cool to get. Sound Gear number 18 for William. So that's a pretty cool one to get. A good mix so far. We got day number 9 coming up. And it's gonna be the Loves number 34 for Todd Gilliland. So pretty cool to get this one. Of course, it's not McDowell anymore. So Todd Gilliland's number 34, Loves. Ford, I should say. All right, down to the final 3. Day 10 is the first race version of the calendar. This is, Christopher Bell's Phoenix win from early on this season. So that's really cool to get. Timely, as Phoenix is the final race of the season coming up. So first race version of the calendar, and it's in day 10. All right, 2 more to go. Day 11. We've got a Dale Earnhardt Sr. diecast. And I'm going to shoot you straight. Let me see if the bag says anything. No, not really. Unfortunately, I cannot give you very specific details on this one because I'm not too sure. Chevrolet, though, of course. Number 3, Goodwrench. Could not tell you the year. Or nothing. So, you guys can let me know. One more. We got day 12. And it is Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s Sundrop number 8 late model. This one, of course, has been released, but it looks pretty good here in Authentics form. So really cool. And it's actually liquid color finish, which might be difficult to tell on the video, but this is a liquid color edition of the Sundrop number 8. So it is new and really cool. But that's day 12. Let me shut that up and get them all back. Okay, I'm not going to have them in order of the days because I was just putting them around. But to show them off again, let's just do that. So we've got all 12 here. There they are. The 3 cover die-cast there, and then the other ones, really cool. I'd say my favorite is probably, honestly, the 2 that was on the cover. The 99 and the 25, the exclusives. And then that liquid color number 8's really cool. But no misses, of course. Really cool to get all these. Like this video, leave a comment on which die-cast from this advent calendar is your favorite, and subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out.